The lower portion for every group page provides the same options. These options are specific to the group currently in view, but some global options are also provided. On the left are two pairs of controls that are switchable between a filter with 1, 2, and 4 pole options, or an EQ shelf. The controls on the left affect the low frequencies, and on the right, the high. A set of attack and release envelope controls can soften the attack of instruments and shorten their natural sustain. The mic volume offset knobs can raise or lower the level of microphones used in a given group. We've implemented this in some of Taiko Creator's kit snapshots when using two microphone perspectives. By adjusting the offset controls for various groups, we were able to emphasize one source over another to give more interest and depth to the mix. Pitch can lower or raise the tuning of an entire group by an octave in either direction. The Unity knob has 24 settings to control how tight or loosely your group plays. As for the globe icons, so far I've been showing you how to adjust the envelope and Unity settings per group. But if you engage the global setting, you can change these settings for this group and any other group that also has the global setting engaged. For example, it can be useful to have the global option engaged on all drum groups, so that when you modify the Unity setting for one group, the change is made and heard on all of them. You'll also notice that when disengaged, you can see a marker that shows where the global settings are, so you know where you are in relation. The creation portion of the interface is fairly straightforward, but also very powerful. To use it, select the number of instruments, select the drum size or drum type. On percussion pages, you'll have a different assortment of options here. Choose a range that random pitch changes can be applied during the creation process. And finally, select a panning option. Pressing Create Group will use these parameters to create a group to match. Audition by pressing the speaker icon. Click a die block when you want to modify a single aspect of the group. For example, if you have 9 instruments loaded that are not panned, you can set the panning option to Wide Even Spread, and then click its die block icon to pan them as a group. Each instrument would be panned to a different location left and right, creating a panorama with a wide, even spread effect. When on percussion pages, you have the additional option to create a rim set from the last played drums.